It's like my gone back at church.
First to the face here, the voice, and I don't know, say a kogency, but a kogency rocks channel. And today, we'd have to change up the view, bro, because the camera that I was using yesterday, the Razer Kai or something, you can't see the app right here. So those who, you know, into the tech stuff, you know me I talk about. Bro, that shit don't work no more. You guys actually can't even see what I'm talking about. I'm not sharing that part of my screen. So let's just get to the video. All right. Today, we have suspect AGB rent. No. Today is elevation. Yeah. We're doing elevation today. Okay. Oh, that starts so. I like how that start. Yeah, let's give it a thought. So, yo, check out the song at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Check out all links in the description, social medias, you know, streaming platforms, everything like that. Twitch, YouTube, we're already on YouTube. But check out my other YouTube channels. You don't know. If I see some likes and comments and subs on the gaming channel, yeah, that will make me, jump back on the gaming channel. Quick, fast. You dig? So, yo, let's jump into it. Suspect AGB elevation. Check all the links in the bio. Like, comment, subscribe. And let's stay alive. Come on, gang shit.
The days are okay. The days are okay.
Today is you okay?
I watch the TV in the afternoon.
I watch the TV in the afternoon.
If I get lonely, the sound of other voices, other voices near me. Not afraid.
Recoil mix this babe.
Recoil.
You can't fulfill your elevation with procrastination. All I talk is bean, money, murder with my delegation. Who eliminating? Cause the beef is way past escalation. Triple less a dangerous equation. We subtract and pagans, violent auto.
Bro, you know it's not a real suspect song or a suspect tape. You know what? I gotta listen to the whole tape. If he doesn't mention triple S, you don't want to see S and S. That's 3 SAVs in a SUV trying to leave man stretch. Big 4 in my lap. 3 in a shank, 2 sanks and 1 more pet. Side through combo, crescent peck. That be there in a sec. I swear down someone's gassing, but you duck down bro the assassin. How many times have BA slapped it? So I don't want to hear the chattings. Don't want to hear about action man ran when you see active. Sorry. I'm listening to a different song. It's 2026. Let's stop the nostalgia. But bro, we know where we're forwarding from with sus, bro. We know.
Nation, all I talk is bean, money, murder with my delegation. Who eliminating? Cause the beef is way past escalation. Triple less a dangerous equation. We subtract and pagans, violent altercation. Have me sitting down in segregation. Counting on imagination. Is this world a simulation? Niggas
yes,
saying,
it is, yes.
To the game, but I hate that saying. Cause the judge ain't paying and I'm paying with incarceration. Right? Keep me stimulated, fighting for my liberation. Knew the feds were watching, I was smoking, fighting trepidation. I thought so my soul.
Yo, man, now I gotta lie, bro. This is an educational drill. Me I forgot look up what the word him just said, trepidation. No, me I type that in now, man. I want to tell you a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that may happen. Bro, see, educational drill. Who knew that a murderer serving life in prison could extend your vocabulary? Who knew? I guess we do now. Shit, nigga, shit. But what it just said, bro? Me want to hear that word there again.
For my liberation, knew the feds were watching. I was smoking, fighting trepidation. I thought on my soul or be a rat, if that's the stipulation. Got some little niggas, they ain't forces, they ain't legislation. Little nigga, hitting you in your chest, stop your respiration. Had them screaming out in desperation, decorating, paint the town red. Many bled to deal with my frustration. Coronation, metal to your head. The queens hate the Agans, throwing up them A's like an 8. Alphabets regurgitating, caught a nigga cycling. That pussy bled like menstruation. Learned to drill myself the old
cycling and then he bled like menstruation. Bro. I wanted to pause it and say, yo, I respect the Asian. Well, big up all the Asian them, you know. Say Sapase, Nabule, get more. You know. But yeah, that Asian coronation, trepidation, realization in the nation. Yeah, man. All the Asians we both said a while ago, bro. Yeah, vocabulary, extend, expand. Bigger. Sorry, I just used so many good words and then I gone back. You see, I'm not really learning. Let me listen.
in desperation, decorating, paint the town red. Many bled to deal with my frustration. coronation, metal to your head. The queens hate the Agans, throwing up them A's like an 8. Alphabets regurgitating, caught a nigga cycling. That pussy bled like menstruation. Learned to drill myself, the oldest didn't show a demonstration. I became the older one, I showed the man about devastation. Broski like a locust, he gon' eat up all your vegetation. Propaganda circulating, tryna scar my reputation. Money over bitches, that's the first verse of nigga-lations. Prison taught me patience, if you owe me, boy, don't have me waiting. Bro, personify a sticker, make it blitz.
But you said prison taught you patience. But if I owe you, don't have you waiting. So you're not exercising the patience that you learn. You're not exercising the you understand? The new brainwave of thinking with patience. You're not doing it. Because you're still talking about, boy, if you owe me, don't have me waiting. Why? I thought you were a patient man now. I thought that, what? You're patient. Have patience.
Me patience, if you owe me, boy, don't have me waiting. Bro, personify a sticker, make it blitz talk. We be walking in his blood, if he grip walk. Hop out for a quick walk. Free in his chest is like he got it from his pitchfork. Hit him in his head like a nigga spilling his thoughts. Sick thoughts, heard them niggas got him started laughing over his corpse. Done did a draw an hour later, made a bitch squawk. Make a mess, she make a mess while bros can get the whip torch. Put me to the test 1,000 times, I'll never testify. 100k no blue tick, got in the streets and verified. Had them niggas terrified, the story will be televised. Hit him with the hybrid, had them twitching like a nigga got electrified. Savages gon' get inside, the scared niggas step aside. I ain't tryna say you gotta ride, get your money right. I'm just tryna say I don't lie, when these niggas lie. Keep it real, I see civils rapping about a stepper's life. First time I made a rack, I had...
Wait. Is he talking about Stepper from RCG? I thought Stepper was certified, bro. I mean, we haven't heard from him in a minute. I mean, we haven't even reacted to him on the channel. But just know, I know about Stepper RCG. But I thought RCG 156 was cool with AG. Or maybe I'm just making the connection because his name is Stepper. And he's saying civils rapping about Stepper life. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, though.
You gotta ride, get your money right. I'm just tryna say I don't lie, when these niggas lie. Keep it real, I see civils rapping about a stepper's life. First time I made a rack, I had a sense of pride. First time I stabbed a nigga, I kept my knife. First time I see a skeng, I was mesmerized. First time in jail, didn't rehabilitize. First time I see a hunter, just got extradited. First time was better than the second time. First time I had a child, I learned there's more to life. I'm coming home cause I weren't legally identified. Gang. Hey listen, you know the fucking vibes.
Bro, man is telling us that there's a loophole in his case for an appeal. That's what he's telling us. So, hey, we never know, bro. We never know. It's the legal system. Crazier things have happened. You understand? So Sus coming home because he was illegally identified is not a far stretch. It's crazy to think about, but it can happen. So if he's telling the truth, hey, I guess we're screaming free Sus again. I guess we're back to free Sus. Jesus Christ. We're back in 2022. We're back in 2023. Jesus Christ. Anyway, this was cold still. I like the beat. I like the production. The mix on this was better than the last one in my opinion. So I like it. Sus. Expand vocabulary. What him say? Trepidation? The anxiety or fear of something that's gonna happen? No, brother, yo. Intelligent drill. From a ×2 body catcher. That's on a life sentence right now. Still can expand your vocabulary. You never know who can teach you things in life. Anyway, I like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know what else you want to see me react to. Jump in the comments. Listen to the song that was at the start. It's in the description below. Check out Kogency on all streaming platforms. YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, Tidal. Everywhere that you can stream music. Check out Kogency. Go over to the music channel. Check out the new single. Don't give up. Let me know that you came from the music, from the reaction channel over to the music channel. Drop a comment saying, yo, I'm here from the reaction channel. You see me? So I can know who from the reaction channel actually mess with the music. You understand? So you don't know. Big up, like, comment, subscribe. And this man, peace.
Jaja give me what we need to survive, so don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now, Jaja love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you now. Don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now, Jaja love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do.